Load your family into the 2007 Nissan Armada. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. All of the premium features expected of a Nissan are offered, including a rear window wiper, a tachometer, a built-in garage door transmitter, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, a roof rack, and much more. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Backseat passengers will appreciate the rear audio controls, allowing them to make easy adjustments to the stereo system. Nissan ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Our sales reps are extremely helpful and knowledgeable. Come on in and take a test drive.